Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I just bought the virtual reality glasses from Miniso and it's quite cheap, like 10 US dollar. Okay, let's check the outside of the box. And I'm going to open this box. Let's see inside. Okay, here you go. This is the glasses. Okay, this is the front side. I'm going on to open this, and this is some kind of magnetic, and then this is the lens, middle. This is for our phone, so we can watch the virtual reality. Okay, this is inside of the box. There is a dry cloth to clean the lens, and this is the user guide, manual instruction. Okay, nah, this is the English language. Okay, and now I'm going to open this cover, the lens cover. And I'm going to show you how I insert my phone into these glasses. So this tool has some kind of the holder, and our phone can sit on this holder. then we just close. We need to close it tightly. Then we are good to watch it, and you can try to adjust the lens. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.